How to replace the drum cartridge for ApeosPro. To replace the drums, we're going to open the main door. And the first thing we're going to do is take it from lock to unlock. Pinch both sides with your fingers. And by holding this, we're going to pull the waste conveyance box out. The message prompted on the screen asking us to replace the yellow drum R4. So we lift this up according to the arrow. Then you have a little thumb screw in there that we're going to turn to the left. Once we've turned it a few times, we're then going to grip this part of the drum and pull it straight out, making sure to handle with care as you do have a drum here that you don't want to touch. So that drum would go into the box. The new drum will come packed inside a light-proof bag. Only remove the drum from the bag immediately before it is going to be installed, as it is sensitive to light. When the drum is removed from the light-proof bag, it will be wrapped in black paper and have 2 plastic orange protective guides fitted, an upper and a lower. Remove the black paper and upper plastic guide immediately before installing the drum. Do not touch the green drum surface and install the drum as soon as possible to minimize exposure to light. Before insertion, ensure that the metal guide on the drum cartridge is rested on top of the metal rail inside the machine, allowing it to slide in smoothly. Then slide the drum in until it clicks. Then turn the thumb screw right to tighten it. On your new drum cartridge, the lower orange protective guide will be visible. Remove it by pulling the guide straight out from the machine. Make sure to lock it by tilting the latch down. Then grab the waste conveyance box, and while pinching both sides, push it in firmly to its place. Put pressure on the waste conveyance box when operating the lever like this to protect the latching mechanism. And lock it.